Use the data in the following table, which lists drive-through order accuracy at popular fast food chains. Assume that orders are randomly selected from those included in the table. Now, if one order is selected, find the probability of getting food that is not from restaurant A. First thing we need to do is we need to find a total of each column and then find the total of all the rows. So when we add these two together for the first column, we get 373 when we add 337 plus 36. When we add 274 to 56, we get 330. When we add 233 with 32, we get 265. When we add 130 to 15, we get 145. Now when we want to add all the numbers across here, 337, 274, 233 plus 130, that gives us 974. When we add the row for order not accurate, 36 plus 56 plus 32 plus 15, that gives us 139. Now if we add this total column or this total row, it's going to give us the total amount of restaurant A, B, and C, and D that includes the order accurate and not accurate. And therefore that number is 1,113. Now again, we want to find the probability of getting food that is not from restaurant A. Now, if a procedure has n different simple events that are equally likely, and if event A can occur in s different ways, then the probability of event A is given by the following formula. So the probability of event A is equal to the number of ways A can occur over the number of different simple events, which is equal to S over N. Now, it is given in the problem statement that event A is getting food that is from restaurant A. So, we are interested in the complement of event A, where event of the complement A is getting food that is not from restaurant A. So to calculate the probability of the complement of event A, we first need to calculate the probability of event A. So in this situation, the simple event is selecting an order from a restaurant. So when selecting an order from restaurant A, when selecting an order from a restaurant in the entire table, the total number is 1,113 different orders from which to select, because that's how many we have for the entire total. Now, there are 373 different ways someone can select an order from restaurant A, and you can see that from here. When we add the total amount in the column for A, we get 373. Now we're going to use that formula, so we're going to calculate the probability of event A. So the probability of event A is equal to S over N, which is equal to 373 divided by 1,113, which gives us a decimal of 0.335130279, and we're going to round that to 3 decimal places, which gives us approximately 0.335. Now we need to calculate the complement of A. So remember, the complement of A, the formula is taking the probability of the complement of A is equal to 1 minus the probability of event A. So 1 minus 0.335 is 0.665, and therefore the probability of getting food that is not from restaurant A is 0.665.